Hi, my name is Miriam and you probably don't know much about me now. I will be hopefully making an introduction video soon talking about me, which for some reason is something that it's really difficult for me. I don't really know what to say on that video, but I'm trying. But for now, you should know that I have a thing for rainy days. I live in a place in Spain where you don't get to see much rain during the year, sorry. But when it rains a lot. And today is one of those days. And I don't know, it just makes me so happy to see the rain. Every time I feel my happiest when it's raining. And I thought that maybe I should just make the most of this day, of this lovely rainy day, and film a study with me video. It's still summer and it's still really hot because, well, this is Spain. But I'm leaving for a semester in Japan in like 2 weeks and a half, and I have to study Japanese because I am much behind on that, and I know I will regret it when I get there if I haven't studied at all. So yeah, today I'm going to be studying some Japanese and showing you. And let's hope for this rain to last for a few hours, at least while I'm studying, because it always makes me feel more focused. And yeah. So whenever I study Japanese, I write down all the words I come across which are new for me or I don't know the meaning of, and afterwards I just get into Quizlet. I think you probably already know about Quizlet, and add them to my Quizlet sets. I have one for vocabulary. Well, I have two now because the first one is already full with 100 words. I mean, you can add more, but 100 is enough for me in one set. I have another one for adjectives, verbs, and also whole sentences. And that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to add all the new words from the previous study session to my Quizlet set. And I must say, if you're studying Japanese, Quizlet is a great website to use to memorize, because you can write down the words with kanji, and even if you don't really know the kanji, you can click on the word and you can hear how it's pronounced, so you can learn both kanji and the meaning of the word at the same time. So yeah, to me it's great. Next, I'm going to do the proper Japanese theory studying. For that, I used Mina no Nihongo 1. It's the most popular book for learning Japanese, I think, and it's the one I used at my Japanese lessons at university. It's been 1 year since I last went to one of those lessons, so I have to just go through everything all over again because I can't remember much. So I usually use my old notes from those lessons and I try to write them down on my notebook because I want to have everything clearly explained and neat on the same notebook. But when I don't have any notes for a specific chapter of the book, I just use internet to better understand the content, or I use the Kira Sensei videos. If you don't know him, he's a guy who explained all Mina no Nihongo 1 chapter by chapter in in YouTube on videos and so. It's in Spanish, but in case you are interested, I will leave the link below. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. If you see me using my phone a lot, it's because I have my dictionary on my phone as an app. And now I'm going to make the exercises in the book because I think I already get the theory. So yeah. I think I'm going to stop now with the exercises and I'm going to go through all my Quizlet sets because it's been a few days since last time I did that and I add a lot of new words and I don't want to fall behind with that. So my battery died while I was filming the Quizlet set studying and it's now 1:45 in the afternoon, so I think I'm going to get something. You hear that? Well, that's creepy. I'm alone at home, so yeah. Well, I was saying I'm just going to get something to eat, and because we eat at this time in Spain, and I don't know, that's all I'm going to do for today, and I'm going to continue tomorrow studying more Japanese. And I hope this video went well. It's the first time I ever film a video like this, and yeah, that's all. Maybe I will watch some, I don't know, Terrace House or some other Japanese TV show later on Netflix so I can practice my listening too, because I haven't practiced that much today. So that's it. Bye!